That was 3 packages of instant pistachio pudding. Coming in with my whole milk. And we are gonna do about 5 cups in there. Perfect. All right, now I'm just gonna grab my whisk and I'm just gonna give this a quick little mix. Try to get all of that powdered, dissolved inside our milk. This is all in my cauldron because we are making something extra spooky. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with some softened cream cheese. Go ahead and put the whole block right in there. Grab 1 more block of cream cheese. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Now, if you don't like pistachio, you can totally use any pudding flavor you prefer. All right, now we're coming in with our Cool Whip. This is the 16 ounce, and we're gonna go ahead and put the majority of this right in there. I did let this thaw. Oh yeah, look how creamy that is. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just do about half for now because I don't wanna overfill our cauldron. All right, now to mix this up, I did grab my hand mixer. That's the best for when you're using cream cheese, but I only put 1 blade on there, and we're gonna go ahead and stuff that in and start mixing. All right, let's go ahead and add the rest of our Cool Whip. See, I want a full cauldron in here, so let's get the rest of that Cool Whip in here. So we use 3 packages of pistachio pudding, 5 cups of milk, 16 ounces of softened cream cheese, and then 16 ounces of Cool Whipped thawed. Okay, get all that in there, make it extra creamy. And I love the pistachio personally because it gives us that nice spooky green color that makes it look like we're making a potion in our cauldron. Oh yeah, okay, perfect. All right, let's finish mixing this up. Oh my, would you look at that? That looks so fun, all in our cauldron. It's just like a spooky green dessert dip. So great for Halloween parties. Now I'm not finished yet. Just to make this extra spooky, I have these gummy eyeballs. Oh, these smell so good. And I'm just gonna kind of throw them in there, make it look extra spooky, as I said. Here and there, we do have something else we're gonna add into it as well to make this complete. Oh, so cute. Now, I couldn't find gummy worms, but I found something even better, gummy snakes. Oh yeah, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put these little snakes in there as well. Go, we have the best little Halloween dip for a party. So let's go ahead and get our dippers. All right, I'm just gonna grab a little serving platter for my dippers. Of course, we're gonna start off with the best. We have these spooky Oreos. I love these because they have the little spooky little characters on them. Of course, we gotta have a healthy dipper, and what is the best dipper for Halloween than apples? So just get some sliced apples in there. All right, and then the last one, I have these little waffles. How cute are these? Just something a little different than the others. It's time to try our spooky dip. I am definitely gonna go for an Oreo, and you just dig on in. No double dipping on this one, you guys. Oh! That crazy good. You guys gotta try it.